Hey guys, so my name is Marin. I am a guitarist and a singer-songwriter, and I'm here to tell you I've been with the Use Your Ear method for about 4 weeks now, and I cannot say enough about how much this has changed the way that I experience music and the way that I now approach music in terms of understanding it. Classical ear training had always seemed like this horribly tedious thing. It wasn't musical. I could never really see results that would translate into my actual musicality and my experience making music. And the Use Your Ear method has changed all of that. Like, I can feel my brain doing things that it did not do in the past. And they are abilities that were already there, waiting for me to use them, and I had never found a method that would help me make use of them. And I feel like this is it, and I feel confident that if you're struggling with your ear training, if you find that classical or conventional ear training is just not for you, this is definitely something you should try. So give it a shot. And I feel confident that you will see surprising results.